Hello viewers, so welcome to my channel. I'm Hasham Ali Khan. So already 12 problems we have completed in the last videos regarding the computation of tax liability. In this video, I'm going to solve 4 more problems, 13, 14, 15, 16. So last 3-4 videos I have done so many problems on how to compute the tax liability of an SSC for the current assessment year 21-22. So if you have not watched those last videos, you cannot be able to understand the present video. So income tax subject, you have to keep a sequence of watching each successive videos. Then only you can be able to get the command. So if you have not watched the earlier videos, I suggest you to go to the playlist of my channel. Select the subject advanced aspect of income tax. Watch the videos regarding the computation of tax liability, then you can be able to understand this. So before starting the problems, I expect my viewers to have a printout of the problems which I have given in the link under my schedule. Take a printout and keep it ready. First of all, take a screenshot of the solutions of problems 13, 14, 15, 16. Then I'll explain each and every point in the problem. Come on, now I am going to read out the 13th problem. Mr. S, age 55 years, that means non-senior citizen, has a taxable salary income of 1,10,000, lottery income 80,000. This is the casual income on which there is a flat rate of tax 30%. Long-term capital gain on sale of house 70,000, LTCG. It's a special income on which there is a flat rate of tax 20%. Calculate his tax liability for the current assessment year if Mr. S is a resident. Suppose if the person is a resident, what is the tax liability? First of all, Mr. S, age 55 years, income from salary 1,10,000, lottery income is 80,000 and LTCG is 70,000. This is the information given. Now basic exemption will limit for a non-senior citizen is 2,50,000. His other incomes, normal income is only one, that is income from salary is the normal income. Whereas these two incomes are special incomes. LTCG is a special income on which there is a flat rate 20%. And winning from lottery is a casual income on which there is a flat rate of 30%. The normal income is only one, income from salary. The basic exemption limit 2,50,000. Out of which income from salary is 1,10,000. So there is a deficiency of 1,40,000. This 1,40,000 deficiency can be set off only from LTCG. It cannot be set off from casual income. So from LTCG, how much is the LTCG here? Only 70,000. This deficiency can be set off only from LTCG and not from casual income. But LTCG is only 70,000. We are having a deficiency of 1,40,000. That means we don't have so much of LTCG to absorb the deficiency. So deficiency only 70,000 can be set off. Remaining 70,000 is the unset off deficiency. Unset off deficiency. We cannot be able to set off. Now, winning from lottery. Winning from lottery is 80,000. There is a flat rate of 30% tax. So 30% of 80,000, 24,000. To this we add health and education says 964%. So 24,960. Now always we make an assumption that winning from lottery always there is a TDS, tax deducted at source. It is not specified in the problem, but it is understood that whenever winning from lottery is there, the issuing authority will deduct the tax and net amount will be paid. So TDS is how much? 24,000. Deduct. Now the net tax due is only 960. That's it. This is problem number 13. Now 14th. Mr. Rajesh Reddy has submitted the following particulars of income for the current assessment year. Compute tax liability and tax due. Income from other heads 2,80,000. Long-term capital gain LTCG 90,000. Winning from lottery 1,20,000. Now carefully you see. So income from other heads 2,80,000. This is the normal income. LTCG 90, winning from lottery 120. First we calculate the tax on normal income. Normal income is 2,80,000. So non-senior citizen, first up to 2,50,000, income 2,50,000 nil. Now next slab is 2,50,000, 1 to 5 lakh. But our income is not going to 5 lakh. Our income is only 2,80,000. So 280 minus 250, 30,000 rupees the balance. 30,000, 5% tax. So 1,500. So 1,500 is the tax on normal income. And LTCG 90,000. So 20% of 90,000, 18,000 is the tax. So add up 19,500 is the tax on normal income and LTCG. The SSC is having income of less than up to 5 lakh, not more than 5 lakh. So he is eligible for tax rebate under section 87A. Because the income is less than 5 lakh. The total income is less than 5 lakh, not more than 5 lakh. So tax rebate under section 87A. List of the following two: actual income tax or fixed 12,500. Actual income tax is 19,500 whereas fixed is 12,500. So 12,500 will be deducted. 7,000 rupees is the tax. Tax on winning from lottery, 30% of 1,20,000, 36,000. Add up 43,000. To this 43,000, health and education says 4%. Then add up 44,720. Just now I told you, whenever there is winning from lottery, there is TDS, tax deducted at source. So 36,000 is the TDS. Deduct 36,000, tax due 8,720. This is the tax due. Now come to 15th problem. During the previous year, relevant to the current assessment year, Sri Krishna, aged 62 years, means senior citizen, more than 60. So senior citizen is having an annual taxable income of 5 crore 30 lakhs. Assume that his total income comprises of salary, income from house property and interest on fixed deposit. That means his total income does not have any special income. Everything is normal income. Then assume that Mr. Krishna not opted for provisions of section 115 BAC. Calculate the tax liability for the current assessment year. How much is the tax? So age 62 years, senior citizen, and basic exemption limit for senior citizen is 3 lakh and total income 5 crore 30 lakh. Now we apply the slabs. First slab up to 3 lakh because senior citizen. Up to 3 lakh nil. 3 lakh 1 to 5 lakh, 2 lakh rupees is the income, 5%, 10,000. 5 lakh 1 to 10 lakh, 5 lakh is the income, 20%, 1 lakh. Now balance. Total income is 5 crore 30 lakh. Out of 5 crore 30 lakh, first 3 slabs we deduct. 3 lakh plus 2 lakh plus 5 lakh, 10 lakh. So 530 minus 10, 520. 5 crore 20 lakh into 30%, 1 crore 56 lakh. Now the tax on normal income is 1 crore 57 lakh 10,000. This is the tax on income, total income. Surcharge is applied. The total income is more than 5 crore. Already in the previous problems I told you different surcharges are there. Up to 50 lakh rupees no surcharge. From 50 lakh to 1 crore 10%. 1 crore to 2 crore 15%. 2 crore to 5 crore 25%. Over 5 crore 37% is the surcharge rate. So here more than 5 crore. So surcharge 37% of this amount, 58 lakh 12,700. Add health and education says 4% of this amount. Then total tax liability is 2 crore 23 lakh 83,608. So rounded off to the next 10. 08 ke bajay will take 10, 610. So finally the tax liability 2 crore 23 lakh 83,610. That's it. Now next problem, 16th one. An assessor's income from long-term capital gain LTCG is 30 lakh and income from other heads nil. Only one income is there, LTCG, 30 lakh. Compute tax liability in each of the following situations. So 4 situations are given. If the assessee is a resident male person, if the assessee is non-resident female person, if the assessee is resident senior citizen, or last one, if the assessee is resident and super senior citizen. We have to compute the tax liability. Only one income is given, LTCG 30 lakhs. So LTCG 30 lakh. First case, resident and male person. Resident and male person. So for resident person, The basic exemption limit is 2,50,000. Assuming that he is a non-senior citizen. Non-senior citizen, basic exemption 2,50,000. So 30 lakh minus 2,50,000. 27,50,000 is the taxable LTCG. On this tax, 20% of 27,50,000, 5,50,000. Health and education cess. So 5,72,000 is the tax liability in the first case. Second case, non-resident female person. Non-resident female person, male or female, the provisions are same. Doesn't matter whether the SS is a male or female. The only thing is we have to see whether resident or non-resident. First case resident, second case non-resident. For non-resident person, the basic exemption limit is 2,50,000. For non-senior, senior or super senior. For everyone non-resident person, 2,50,000. But this 2,50,000 will be given exemption, basic exemption only from other incomes, not from LTCG. So LTCG में से basic exemption will not be given for non-resident person. He is not eligible. So basic exemption is not allowed for non-resident from LTCG. So directly 30 lakh rupees LTCG 20%, 6 lakh. Health and education says 24,000. 6,24,000 is the tax liability if he is a non-resident. Third one, resident senior citizen. For senior citizen, the basic exemption limit is 3 lakhs. So we did 30 lakh minus 3 lakh, 27 lakh. Taxable LTCG, 27 lakh. So 20% of 27 lakh, 5,40,000. Health and education says 21,600. 5,61,600 tax liability over. Third case completed. Last and final case, resident super senior citizen. For super senior citizen, the basic exemption limit is 5 lakh. So 30 lakh minus 5 lakh, 25 lakh rupees is the taxable LTCG. On that 25 lakh, 20%. So 20% of 25 lakh, 5 lakh. So 20% of 25 lakh is 5 lakh. Now health and education says 20,000. So total 5,20,000 is the tax liability in all the 4 situations I have calculated. That's all. So I have completed 16, totally 16 problems I have done on computing the tax liability. So we'll continue the next problem in the next video. But before that, I want to inform you that I have started a new channel by name Khan's Accounting Institute. Please visit that channel, watch the videos. Definitely you can enhance your knowledge on the subjects. And do subscribe my new channel also. Inshallah, we'll continue the next problem in the next video.